Welcome, today I'm showing you how to customize your quick launch into your Xiaomi 13. First of all, go into settings, scroll down and find here additional settings option. Go into against the shortcuts option, and here we got all quick launch options. So first option is launch Google Assistant, press and hold the power key for half second. Now it's disabled this option, so activate this by tapping on the switcher, and let's try. Press and hold. How you can see, we activate our Hey Google. So go back. Here we got take a screenshot. We got combination with slide 3 fingers down or volume down and power key plus. And now next it's partial screenshot. Press and hold with 3 fingers. Go back. Launch camera option. Here we got two options. Double press the power key and double press volume down when the screen is locked. Activate this option too. And last one, it's turn on touch. And here we got the same option, double press to power key. If you activate this option now, we got a message. Double press the power key is used for launch camera. Replace or not. If you tap replace, we activate turn on touch option. If you tap cancel, we activate launch camera option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.